How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. 39. So again, for the fitness guys watching this, they're like, why the heck are you making a hickey video? I get a ton of comments on my channel about that. So I'm going to keep doing it. Again, I apologize, but keep in mind, I do make a ton of fitness videos. So just give me a little bit of slack here, my friends. All is good. All is good. So all I do is I pick a question from a subscriber, I read it, and then we talk about it. And then at the end of the vid, I give you guys my best way to get rid of a hickey. And let's get started. So this subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with shampoo? Very good question. Like, do you mean like just applying the shampoo to your, generally you get a hickey on your neck. So do you mean just applying it to your neck and then, I guess you'd have to do it in the shower, having a shower, and as you shampoo your hair, shampoo your neck at the same time. The shampoo itself wouldn't speed things up, but what you can do is, you guys know, like, you get that shower brush or whatever the heck it is, and it's like a little scrubber kind of thing. Get that, put the shampoo on your neck if you want to, and just start scrubbing it. Scrubbing your hickey. That would actually work. Scrub for about 2 to 5 minutes. Again, I'm not quite sure if this would hurt because of the bristles are pretty strong. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about a shower scrubber thing. I'm not talking about the little woofa or waffle or whatever the heck you call it and you rub. I'm talking about the actual shower scrubber. So the scrubber could work. Again, just rub the area, 2 to 5 minutes, should get rid of the hickey. What I typically do, again, I'll tell you guys what I do, is I just get a coin or a spoon and I rub the area for 2 to 5 minutes. All it takes is rubbing it for 2 to 5 minutes with anything. That's why I'm thinking the shower scrubber would work. 2 to 5 minutes, it will get rid of it. Keep in mind, the area is going to be very, very red. So if you're wondering, wow, the area is red, you made it 10 times worse, Dylan, what are you doing? That's supposed to happen when you rub anything for a long period of time. It will get red. If it doesn't get red, I would be very concerned. But give 5-10 minutes for the redness to go away, and boom, hickey is gone. I've done this a couple times and it does work. Trust me on this. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.